Do eyeglasses replace your eye? No, they help you see better. AI is exactly the same, but the danger is if you use AI to stop thinking, your brain will pay the heavy price. When the Industrial Revolution came to scene, we used to offload physical labors to machines. Now, we are making a mistake of offloading our thinking to AI. It is called cognitive offloading. But research shows in late 2025 that people who over-rely on AI score very low when it comes to critical thinking. And remember, 22% of what they have learned. You become mentally lazy when AI becomes a crutch instead of your catalyst. You are not just saving time, you are shrinking your brain capacity because you lack AI literacy. The goal is not to let the AI do the thinking for you. The goal is to let AI give you the clarity to think bigger. And today I'm teaching you how to keep your edge using augmented intelligence. My name is Tolulope Oyejide, and my mission is very simple: to make AI practical and transformational. In my work leading AI teams, I see two types of people. The first uses AI to replace efforts. They copy, paste, and slowly lose their creative spark. The second uses AI as a second brain to amplify their efforts. One is a crutch, the other is a catalyst. My values are rooted in human flourishing. I believe technology should build us up and not erode our skills. Augmented intelligence is a bridge that keeps you at the driver's seat, while the artificial intelligence does the heavy lifting of data and organization. Think of your natural brain as the architect. You have the vision and the intuition. Your AI, which serves as the second brain, is the library and research assistant. When you treat AI as augmented intelligence, you are not asking it to write this for you. Instead, you are asking it to scan through these 50 documents or research paper so that you can easily find and act on the core truth. Look at how top-tier doctors use AI. They don't let AI diagnose the patient. They use AI to scan millions of medical journals in seconds in order to find patterns human eyes could miss. The doctor still makes the call, and that's how you win. You stay the expert while AI stays the engine. To keep your 70% edge in critical thinking, follow this EverydayAI Explained Framework. Don't just dump data. Ask AI to challenge your logic. Tell it, here is my plan, find the lapses in it. This forces your brain to stay engaged. Use tools like ChatGPT or Gemini or Notebook LM to summarize documents, but ensure you write the final conclusion. Build a digital hub where you store ideas. And instead of searching through folders, what was that idea I had about Afghan startup in June? You want to be the person who uses AI to grow and not let AI make them lazy. You need to be here every week. Subscribe to this channel so you can be equipped with the right tips and strategies on how you can leverage AI to grow better. Also, ensure you join the EverydayAI tribe, where you learn how to master AI literacy. AI is not far. AI is not complicated. It is already part of your life. But your future depends whether you use it to shrink or you use it to expand. Don't let your brain pay the price for convenience. Use augmented intelligence to build the legacy of clarity and impact. What's one task that you have been offloading too much lately? Tell it to me on the comment. Let's figure out to augment it instead.